my distinct honor and pleasure to introduce to you our dazzling lady of the night. Everyone, let's give it up for Felicity Leah!
Happy birthday, Leah! We love you!
Happy birthday, Leah! God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Leah! Ang wish namin sa'yo ay good health.
Happy birthday, Leah! I love you.
Happy birthday, Leah! Ang wish ko sa'yo, manatili kang malusog at masaya at maabot mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Leah.
Happy birthday, Ate Leah. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. I love you.
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all.
Si Leah, tahimik lang siya kahit sa bahay. Iyak ako. Ano yun? Kahit pagalitan mo siya, hindi siya sasagot. Hindi siya magta-talk back sa'yo. Minsan feeling ko kinikim-kim niya yung mga gusto niya sabihin. Pero academically, wala akong problema.
Hi, Leah! Happy 18th birthday! And wishing you all the best. Stay strong. Stay healthy. Mag-aaral mabuti. Praying every day. And God is always be with you.
You're so blessed sa lahat ng tao nakapaligid sa'yo, lahat na nakapaligid sa atin. So yung support, yung love ng mga tao, mas may extra love, extra understanding sa atin. So gusto ko lang lumaki ka na may gratitude, thankful na puso. Kasi you are blessed. Tandaan mo lagi na you are blessed. Whatever the circumstances, pray. Lagi kay Lord ka tumakbo kasi hindi ka niya mababayaan. Happy 18th birthday, anak, Leah. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka lahat ng tao. You are worth it, anak. You are worth it.
And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun. But we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one. And we know the change will surely come. Baby,
I want you to be prayerful, a woman na nananalangin, na may Panginoon sa puso, na sa Panginoon lumalapit. Kasi this is the reason bakit nabuhay ka pa ngayon. In-extend niya yung buhay mo for a purpose, and yun yung purpose natin is to glorify Him, Leah. So, magpagamit ka sa Panginoon. Kasi everything will fall into places kapag siya yung inuna natin.